Finally, a media and marketing studio located right here in the heart of Pearland, Texas. Welcome to Wheelhouse Media. This is where your vision comes to life. Let me show you around. This is our multi-purpose room, our biggest room out of the bunch. We can host parties in here, networking events, or you can just come out here and be creative with some colleagues, watch TV, or play some games after you do your photo shoot next door. Here we have our photography room. This is where you can take family photos, photos for social media, or headshots. See, just like that. This is our broadcasting room. Set up for anything video related. With our big, beautiful green screen wall, you have a podcast and you want to look like you're in a big studio or, I don't know, Mount Everest. I don't know why you would want to do that, but we can do that in this room. But I heard this room's getting a little bit of an outfit change. But shh, that stays between us. And this is the audio room where you make music. Mic, please. You want to record, tweak, master a song, or maybe lay down a whole album? Record a voiceover for a commercial for your business? Or maybe do some karaoke? This is the place to do it. And last but not least, the kitchen. Oh, nope, that's not the kitchen. The kitchen. Because content creation doesn't have to end here. Get a cooking show going, cater or cook for your guests. You can do so much in here, like even get yourself a snack after you finish your podcast or photo session. So as you can see, we're the one-stop shop for all things media located here in Pearland, Texas. If you have an idea, bring it to Wheelhouse. We'll handle the rest.